In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zendesk password in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've forgotten your current password or you're just looking to update it for security reasons, this walkthrough has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, you're going to navigate to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Give that a click. A second sign in prompt will appear. Click it again. This is where you'll input your email address and the password you currently have, if you remember it. If not, don't worry, we're getting to the reset part soon. Once you've entered your details, hit enter or click on the sign in button to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, look for your profile photo, usually found at the top corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to click on View Profile. This action will navigate you to your personal Zendesk profile page. Now for the admin part. While on your profile page, look for an option labeled Manage in the Admin Center. This will take you to a dashboard where you can manage various account settings. In the Admin Center, you'll easily spot the Account tab. Click on that to proceed to the area where you can change your password among other settings. The Account tab is your gateway to securing your Zendesk account. Next, you'll see an option to Change Password. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current password if you know it, the new password you wish to have, and then confirm your new password by typing it in again. It's always a good idea to pick a strong, unique password that hasn't been used on any other site. This enhances your security and keeps your account safe. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, you're almost there. Look for the Change Password button once more and click it to finalize the change. And voila, you've successfully reset your Zendesk password. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Make sure your new password is something memorable to you, but challenging for others to guess. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters is always a good strategy. If you're ever in doubt, many web browsers offer to generate a strong password for you, which can be a handy feature. Resetting your password regularly is a good practice for maintaining the security of your online accounts. And now that you know how to reset your Zendesk password, you're all set to keep your account secure and up to date. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. Stay secure and see you in our next video.